What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing a video on the top mods that you can do for your appearance on your S197 Mustang. So that is your 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustang. These are mods that I've written down. Some of these mods I have done, some I don't, but I basically went over a master list of things that you can do to your 4.0 Mustang. Alright, starting off with number one, you could do a windshield decal. So just like the Mustang up here, you can have it custom, have it say Mustang, get any kind of color you want. Next, you guys could do an upper and lower grille. So you could do a different type of grille. There's the lower grille, there's the upper grille. Kind of get that custom look. We went all black. You guys could do a bumper guard down here. They make all kinds of different styles that you could do. We do want to paint that black sometime to match. You can do different headlights. They make all kinds of cool headlights. These headlights are halo headlights. And I absolutely love them. You can go with tons and tons of different hoods. So this is an SMS style hood, fully functional. Air can be pulled in there. Heat from the engine bay comes out here. I love this hood. This is one of my favorite hoods that I've ever put on a build. You can do aftermarket lights front and back. So different marker lights, like here we have smoked lights, so you can get different ones, you can get other colors. So that's the front. Here's the back. We just went with smoke because I love smoked. And of course go with the third brake light. You guys can get red LEDs, just all kinds of different third brake lights. And of course window tinting. That can add a little stealth, a little privacy. Some states you're allowed to tint the front window. Our state you are not allowed. You guys could get a new paint job, a different color, different style, or you could wrap your S197. You know, wraps are very popular right now. You guys could install hood pins. They make all kinds of hood pins, just like the one that I installed. You guys can go with the smaller antenna. So they make all kinds of different antennas that stick up. And of course, tires and wheels. Go with different tires and wheels. These are Mickey Thompson rubber with American Muscle Bullet Motorsport chrome rims, aka wheels. You guys could go with fender vents, front and back. So these are functional fender vents. They extract heat. So those are really cool, especially since I got long tube headers. They help the heat. And also side vents as well. Those are pretty cool. You can get different styles of them. I personally like the style that went around the wheel well a little bit. It's my favorite. I have seen some guys actually cut out the metal in here of this frame. Alright, you guys can do window louvers, you can do the side louvers. These are the Roush louvers. They were a little bit more expensive, but I love them. You can still see in and out pretty good. And also the rear window louvers as well. Some people like that, some people hate it. For me, I love it. But I'm more old school, and that's kind of an old school thing. Alright, up next, you guys could do updated mirrors. That's right, you could either paint your old ones, which we're going to paint them, or you can update to a Euro style, and there's other different styles you can do. Alright, you guys can do lug nuts. You know, we did gloss black lug nuts. If you got aftermarket rims, I highly recommend getting lockable lug nut. That way someone can't easily steal your rim. Okay, you guys can do decals. You know, some guys like the flaming Mustang decal that I put on. Some guys hate it, but you know, build your ride to however you want. So you can put different decals on the sides wherever you want. You can do another fuel door, so we went with a different fuel door here. It's a lockable one. Custom license plate, so in your state you can submit to get a custom license plate just like we did. You can also get a different type of wing and spoiler. So we just have the GT wing, but they make all kinds of different wings that you guys can get for your S197. Tail lights, get different types of tail lights, colors. There's definitely a lot of different tail lights and stuff that you guys can get. Oh, let's see what else. So you can get a blackout panel just like we have here. So this is a blackout panel. It takes like 3 minutes to put on. It's super easy. You guys can get a new piece here, chrome. We got a new one. It's very dirty, so it doesn't look that nice right now, but when everything's waxed up, boy, this thing sure shines. You guys can get underglow light kit for your car. You can do smoked license plate cover like we did. So that's for appearance, you know, that's all appearance. If I left anything out for appearance only, we're not talking about any modifications, you know, exhaust and stuff for this video, but if I left out any appearance mods, let me know, leave a comment for others who watch this video in the future. Yeah, that is our Mustang, just a V6. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. The build's just getting started.